The EPC warning light on the dashboard of Volkswagen cars indicates a problem with the electronic power control system. This system is responsible for managing the engine's throttle and various other electronic functions. When the EPC light comes on, it is advisable to address the issue promptly to prevent potential damage to the vehicle. While it is possible to drive the car with the EPC light on, it is recommended to exercise caution and avoid pushing the engine too hard. It's best to have the vehicle inspected and repaired by a qualified technician as soon as possible. Several factors can cause the EPC light to illuminate in a Volkswagen. Number 1. Throttle system issues. The most common cause of the EPC light coming on is a malfunction in the throttle system. This can be due to a faulty throttle pedal, throttle body or sensor. If any of these components fail or provide inaccurate readings, the EPC light is triggered. Number 2. Engine management system problems. Issues with the engine management system, such as a faulty sensor or a software glitch, can also trigger the EPC warning light. A diagnostic scan should be performed to identify the specific problem. Number 3. Electrical malfunctions. Problems with the car's electrical system, such as a short circuit or damaged wiring, can interfere with the proper functioning of the EPC system. Faulty electrical connections or components can lead to the elimination of the EPC light. Number 4. Brake light switch failure. In some cases, a faulty brake light switch can cause the EPC light to come on. The brake light switch is interconnected with the EPC system, and if it fails, it can trigger the warning light. To fix the EPC warning light issue in a Volkswagen, follow these steps. Number 1. Stop the vehicle. If the EPC light comes on while driving, it is important to pull over to a safe location and turn off the engine. This will allow you to assess the situation and prevent any potential damage. Number 2. Restart the engine. After stopping the vehicle, wait for a few minutes and then start the engine again. In some cases, the EPC light may have been triggered by a temporary glitch. If the light remains on after restarting the engine, proceed to the next step. Number 3. Check for loose connections. Inspect the electrical connections related to the throttle system, such as the throttle pedal and throttle body connections. Ensure that they are securely fastened and free from any corrosion or damage. Number 4. Inspect the brake light switch. Check the brake light switch to see if it is functioning correctly. If it appears damaged or fails to engage properly, it may need to be replaced. Number 5. Scan for diagnostic trouble codes. To identify the specific cause of the EPC light, use a diagnostic scanner to retrieve any stored DTC. These codes will provide valuable information about the underlying issue. Number 6. Seek professional assistance. It is recommended to take your Volkswagen to an authorized service center or a qualified mechanic for a thorough inspection and repair. They will have the necessary expertise and diagnostic equipment to accurately diagnose and fix the problem. Driving with the EPC light on is generally not ideal, as it can indicate an issue that could affect the vehicle's performance and safety. It is advisable to limit driving and avoid pushing the engine too hard until the problem is resolved. However, in certain cases where the issue is minor and doesn't affect the vehicle's drivability, it may be possible to drive short distances to reach a repair facility. The duration for which you can drive your car with the EPC light on depends on the specific cause of the issue and the severity of the problem. It is best to have the vehicle inspected as soon as possible to prevent further damage or complications.